Searchland's demographic data gives you that immediate insight into what makes neighborhoods different from one to another. We're looking right now at the average age, and we can see very clearly on a map how we go from this early 20s group into a 30s to 34, into 35 to 39, and 45 to 49. We can very visually see how these neighborhoods change in terms of their median age. Along with our demographics data, we also have lots of charts that come with it that break this down into a dashboard style format that's fully customizable, whether that's in terms of order of what you want to show, or you can pick from any of our 8 style of pie charts or graphic charts in here and completely begin to customize your layouts this way. This is the beginning of demographics data. We can also take this back and you can also view it at different scales. So we've got our most granular, which is what we call an output area. We can see how this is at a slightly bigger scale and how it affects at more of a local authority district, where you can begin to do your much wider bits of analysis in terms of looking how different parts of the country compare with another. Not only that, it comes with 22 different groups of data, anything from household size on there, ethnic group is something we can also plot and change based on the census, and things like looking at median age where we were previously. So this demographics data really allows you to understand how those neighborhoods differ from one another in a way that's very visual and very data driven. Not only that, it's part of the Searchland ecosystem, which means that if we back out of this and we look at something like our sourcing tool, which allows us to identify sites that match specific criteria. So here on the map, we're showing any freehold that's got a commercial use class to it. Now, there's over 1,600 shown on the map. And if we want to target an area that's potentially a particular age group or median household income, what we could do is we could scroll down to our demographics section here. And from there, we can begin to put in some new criteria. For instance, the mean net annual household income greater than 50,000. Apply. And what this will do, if we scale out, it will then highlight those areas that we're seeing high average income that also have commercial use classes in there. You can layer this up with any of our other Searchland data sets to find those perfect areas that match your criteria. So this is how demographics gives you a whole nother vantage point to start sourcing land and assessing sites. It's available today and you can check it out on trial.